Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. We do so much stuff that relates to motos, cars, everything. So smash the like button. Give me a comment down below. Let me know if there's something that you guys want to see or if there's something we can do on this Ninja 300 that you guys like. But make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell so you can get notifications in the future. So we're back in the garage. I have done some stuff on the Ninja 300 already. I had some time last week and I wanted to smash it out real quick. So we've got the body completely taken off. We've got the motor cleaned up. We drained the oil. We pulled out the spark plugs. We've replaced the clip-ons. But I wanted to do some of this stuff just to get it out of the way and bang it out. Nothing too interesting to sit and spend 40 minutes replacing the clip-ons. So I went ahead and did that. But let's grab the GoPro. Let's go back over the bike. Take a look at what we've done. All right, so we will start in the front of the bike. We have already replaced the brake pads and brake line. The brake pads that were in here weren't horrible, but they definitely needed to be replaced. You can see there, one side's worse than the other. We've gone ahead and gotten into the clip-ons, so we've got the new Vortex clip-ons already installed, the old throttle, the new masters on with our new brake levers. Nice pressure, very good pressure, very, very good pressure. So we do have our, on both sides, both of our clip-ons on with levers, clutch, brake. Down here we've got our spark plugs pulled out. We've got a new set that we're going to be throwing in, so we're going to do that today. Oil has been changed. It's actually been drained. We're going to put fresh oil in today. Clean the oil, the air filter. So we've got a K&N filter, so we're going to button that up today. We were going to pull the rear sets off, but unfortunately because of the missing pieces of Vortex, rear sets won't be here for about a week, so we will put them on the next video, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. Let's see, head around to the other side. We have put the front sprocket on, and we've got everything ready for, and I went ahead and did this because I wanted to get the shifter ready for the new rear sets, but unfortunately that's not going to happen, so we're going to be putting that in. But you can see we've got everything nice and cleaned up. I've got some really, really nice spray that doesn't leave an oily film, but really does a very good job on making this engine look like new. So very happy with how it turned out. Wheels are going to come off next. We're going to go ahead and replace the rear sprocket. And I ended up doing the 520 sprocket. I didn't do the 415 conversion. I'm not sure why I didn't do this, but I didn't. So the 520 is going to go on there. It's what it is. But we've got everything nice and cleaned up. So today we will go back through, and I've already pulled the spark plugs out, so we're going to go ahead and install the spark plugs. The new spark plugs, I figured, hey, we're here. I don't know when they've been replaced, so we are going to put a new set of spark plugs in. Pretty easy. Once you've got the tank off, obviously they're right top of the cylinder head. So what I've got is I like to use a little magnet to kind of gently get it into the cylinder head. This way you don't drop it and mess with any of the gaps, so we can get it in there and get it nice and tightened up. So where have we been this week? Man, this week we had our Cali Track Days event on Monday. Phenomenal event. God, it's just such a great day. Thank you guys, everybody that came out. If you guys haven't been out to the track, you guys got to get out to the track. I'm telling you, you guys will absolutely love it. So we've made some changes to Cali Track Days. We've got some people that are going to be taking over and kind of helping me out. So I appreciate that. Mike Abbott, David Ray, thank you guys for really getting in there and helping me out with the operations. Bogdan, of course, thank you guys so much. There we go. I think we're in. I think got it in. So nice and snug, nothing too major. But Cali Track Days, man, we just had a sweet event. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we've got some new moto vlogs coming out. I got some really good ones, I think, this time. Let me know also, please comment, am I doing a good job on the vlog? I asked Bogner, I was like, I feel like I might know what I'm saying, but I don't know. I'm sure that I can be critiqued, but please critique me. I want to make these videos so much better for you, so if you guys are enjoying them, thank you guys so much for sticking around and hitting that subscribe button. I do have some stuff going on, some ideas for the page. I am going to be, I guess you can say, teaming up with Cali Track Days. Well, it's both my companies, so, we are going to be setting up a Patreon page, so stay tuned for that, for Cali Moto TV, to be able to do some giveaway stuff. We want to do some giveaways, so we thought, what better way to get people on our Patreon page to do some giveaway stuff, so make sure to head over to the Patreon page when it's up. Appreciate the support, Cali Moto TV. Bogna has been out in Vegas for her work. Some of you guys, I'm not sure if you guys think or know that we do both have jobs. This isn't our full-time thing. Bogna is a senior marketing manager at Game Show Network, the GSN network. She works on that app called Tri-Peak Solitaire. If you guys haven't played this game, it's a fun game. Head over to the App Store and get Tri-Peak Solitaire. Now, what Bogna does is when you guys get into the game, you guys can buy your $4.99 starter pack. When you guys spend money with the Game Show Network, this is what Bogna does. So she gets all of this stuff in front of you, and she does all the marketing and all the design work and stuff. So she loves what she does, and this is a great company. She's really been happy with the company. So myself, I've got my own company. It's called The Finishing Lab, if you guys haven't seen that. So The Finishing Lab is I repair and service medical equipment. Almost there. And so I repair the equipment that make eyeglasses. I know it's a little interesting, but if you guys always were curious about what I do, that's what I do. And so between that, we've got Cali Track Days, which is really just a fun passion project we really love for you guys. So that is something we do. In addition, it's not a money maker. It's really, again, just to kind of keep the sport alive. So we've been having a blast with Cali Track Days. But anyways, we wanted to be able to host some giveaways and stuff like that. So I think we're going to be putting up some stuff for some free track days up on the Cali Moto TV Patreon page. And we'll be doing some sticker giveaways and some swag giveaways and just some cool stuff. So the idea to that is to get that page big enough to be able to support major giveaways. Like, would you guys be interested in winning this bike? Would you guys be interested in a rebuild project that we give away at the end? That's kind of something that we wanted to be able to do on the Patreon page. So if it is something that you guys are interested in, head over to the Patreon page and get subscribed. We're not asking for a ton of money, but all the money goes back into the channel. So none of this money goes anywhere but in the channel. So thank you guys for supporting the channel. All right, airbox cover is on. We've got spark plug number 1 in there. We've got oil in. Don't forget the spark plug. What is this called? I'm drawing a blank on what it's called. It's not an igniter. I feel like a moron right now. What is it called? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. It doesn't feel like it's going on. Oh, there it is. There it goes. Comment below what that is. I'm drawing a blank. I don't know. So yeah, so we got Cali Track Days coming back up on May 20th. So we've got some cool stuff going on with that. Man, I don't know. You know, just everything is good. We're heading over to we're heading over to A&S Motorcycles to do some more test rides. I hope you guys are enjoying the test ride videos. We did a new segment. If you haven't seen it or if it's not out yet, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we want you to be able to be interactive with the channel. So we have started a new test ride vlog where I will be test riding your motorcycles. So if you've got a pretty sweet motorcycle, email us kalimototv@gmail.com. Submit your bikes. The submission that is picked will be given a track day to Cali Track Days, and we will test ride your bike out at the track. It should be a pretty fun ride. I got to ride Daryl Carpenter's $30,000 2008 R1. That thing was a blast. I really felt at home with the 07 Gixxer 1000. So I was a little nervous getting on the thing, but it ended up being really, really nice. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you head over and see that video. But if you're interested in submitting your bike, make sure you send us a quick email. That would be really nice, and we'll see how that goes. But we're going to be back at A&S for some motorcycle reviews. Now, not many people have asked us what to review a certain bike. So is there something you guys want us to review? We've got full access of Triumph, BMW, and Ducati. So anything you would like us to ride, Randy will let us ride. So make sure you head over to the comment section on the rides. Let us know if there's something you'd like to ride. I'm just kind of fiddling right now. I think I'm going to get this exhaust pulled off. We do have a new exhaust coming from Two Bros, so this is no more. Get this pulled off. What else is going on? We've got summer. Obviously, summer's coming up, so we're going to be doing some bike night stuff. All in all, just having a blast. We just have a blast. So thank you guys for sticking around. I'm just kind of rambling, but I love you guys. I needed to work on this thing and get it going. So I'm going to install the other spark plug and get some things just buttoned up on this thing. But we'll be back with the rear sets, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much. Again, make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, leave me a comment down below. This has been a blast. Oh, this bike. If you're looking at this little kid, that's little Jacqueline. I call him Jacqueline. It's my nickname for him. That's Jack Roach. Head over to his page, jackroachracing.com. He is running BSB this year. So he just did race 1, grid of 20. I think he was in 4th and 5th for race 1 and 2. He's heading back there for the weekend, I think, of the 17th and 18th for race 2. So make sure you hit up Jack Roach Racing. This is his project bike. We call it his yard sale bike. I picked it up pretty cheap at his yard sale. But check out Jack. But anyways, thanks guys for sticking around. Subscribe, smash the like button, comment. Thanks. Till next video. We'll see you then.